Unboxing Razor Black Label Power A5 electric scooter. Let's take a look what's inside the box.
The shipping box has double protection. Purchased the scooter from Walmart around the holidays was just $100. The retail price for the scooter was $250 on the Razor site. The weight of the scooter inside the box isn't that heavy. It's the same design as the non-electric scooter, the A5. And let's see what's inside the box. It's very well packed inside. There isn't any damage on the scooter. The fit and finish is very good. There's a big label on the scooter that says charge the scooter for 10 hours before using. I'll let it charge overnight.
What's in the box was a owner's manual, a wrench, and a charger. Since I charged it up for about 10 hours, we have to put it together, put the handlebar together.
The charging port of the scooter was in the middle of the left side. There's also a kickstand, some spec on the scooter, speed up to 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometer per hour. The runtime battery of the scooter is about 40 minutes. It has a 150 watt brushless hub, thumb activated paddle control throttle, rear fender brake with power cutoff. The frame of the scooter is anodized aluminum. The handlebar has adjustable height. It has a 8-inch or 200 millimeter front urethane wheel. The rear tire is abrasion resistant, airless, flat free. Retractable kickstand, 22 volt lithium ion pack rechargeable battery. Max rider weight for the scooter is 176 pounds or 80 kilograms. The weight of the scooter is about 16 pounds or 7.16 kilograms. There isn't any display on the scooter. The sticker was a mess to remove. It just broke in pieces.
I don't like the wires hanging loose, so I'll just put a tie down on the handlebar and the stem.
And thanks for watching my unboxing. Be sure to stay tuned for the test ride vid.